car keep dying after starts up. Let's find out why.
Customer complaint is the car will not start. So we're gonna see why it does not start. There you go. It starts right up and then it turns off, and then the mobilizer light flashing right there. See that? All right, look what we got here.
This Bling Bling ring blocks communication between the key chip and the immobilizer antenna.
Just give me a few minutes. Yeah. Okay. So we're gonna take this off.
No rush.
So now we remove this Bling Bling and let's test it one more time. And look at that.
For all the ladies out there, please stay away from this stuff.